Take a moment to review the place values in International System of Numeration. Let's take a question. What is the place value of 9 in the given number in International System? The answer is 90 billion. Notice, ones, thousands, millions, etc. all occupy 3 digits. What is the place value of 5 in the given number in International System? The answer is 500. Notice the pattern. 5 is copied as is, and the digits after 5 convert to 0. What is the place value of 9 in the given number in International System of Numeration? 90 million. What is the place value of 4 in the given number in International System of Numeration? The answer is 400,000. Now you know how to find the place values of digits in large numbers.